Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the black and the white screen problem in Samsung M35. If you are facing the black screen or the white screen issue, I will tell you how to fix it. Before I move to the video, if you are new to my channel and watching this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe it. For further details, now let's watch the video and see how to fix the black and white screen.